Hello everyone, welcome to another vlog of a day in the life of a window cleaner. It's me and Matthew today. We're in my village, Parson Drive. I've got, well, there was supposed to be originally 23 cleans done for the day. We've got one as asked last night and we sent the messages out, could you please rearrange for another day, which is no problem. And then we've got another one that's asked us to skip, which we're going to do, and we're looking at maybe taking them off the round because the amount of times that's happening now. We've got one to catch up from yesterday, but it depends on the weather. And then I've got one that's a bit funny about the weather if it's raining, which is what it's doing now. It was supposed to only rain between 7 and 8 this morning, according to the weather last night, but it's still raining and it's gone 8. So we're just waiting for this to die off and then we'll get going, because with the wind, we'd be absolutely soaked right now. So I'm sure it's just going to be a shower that's going to pass and move on. So will today get done? Who knows? Find out. That's me home for lunch now. It's later than what we wanted for lunch. It's coming up for 1 o'clock, but we've done 11 cleans. I've done a quote as well. So a neighbour, someone we cleaned, has just moved in, and yeah, it's going to be a good quote. So hopefully we'll get that one. And we've got 11 cleans left to do. However, 2 of them are not going to be done today. They're going to be done another day, something they've asked. So that's no problem. One I already mentioned before, and I've got another one which I think might have to take off today just for the fact that it's a bit windy and the windows are going to dry a bit spotty because it's like an old farm, well, it is a farm building, and they're a bit exposed to the weather a bit. So play it by ear, see what happens, and I'll have my lunch anyway and follow along still. Hopefully we'll do it. That's it. It's 20 cleans done in the end. There's 2 we're going to redo on other days because both had asked. One asked the night before and one asked during the day when we went on there. It's a small clean. It's in the village, so if it's one of them days where I come back to refill, it's no problem to catch up on anyway. And yeah, we got the last clean in as well. Plus we've done one quote. It's a big quote as well, and it's going to be internal windows maybe. Depends if they accept that one. And yeah, all in all, not a bad day. It got a bit gusty with the weather, but not too bad to stop us working. And it did die down a bit towards the end. Sun's come out for the afternoon and Mother's Day soon. So I've just got myself some flowers from the flower man near me. So if I'm ever in the doghouse, he's only around the corner. So that's that done. I'm going to go to the cleaning expo tomorrow. So if you're about there and I see you, just say hello. So stay safe, like, subscribe, watch a video that YouTube thinks you want to watch next, and see you on the next one. Stay safe.